Hey there, fellow outlaws. Today, we're going to do a little bit of hardscaping. Yeah, I don't know if you know this about the desert, but it's not exactly all that level, especially up here on the hill. And things being not level is hard on furniture legs and things like that. So today, we're going to take these railroad ties to build retaining walls and then fill in to level out this area next to Kaz's home for wayward girls. And how we're going to do that is really taking a shovel and leveling out a trench, then taking a 2x4 and a level, placing it in that trench. When that trench is level, then we roll in the railroad ties to act as our retaining wall. And then there's the fun job of filling it in. So yeah, let's go ahead and get to doing this, shall we? This area, this one leveled out. Let's actually get it. Get off there. Yep, already got this area leveled out. Now I'm just working on that one. So yeah, now that I have the ties in place and pretty level, I got to fill in this space and make it level. All right, so one of the things that I am going to do to help stabilize the sand and stuff like that so it doesn't just blow away is kind of make a ghetto-ish concrete mix. And there's already sand and clay, don't have the ratio right at all. But now I'm going to add some wood ash to it, mix that all in, and then when it's all tamped and leveled out, or before tamping and level it out, I'll give it a good soaking with some water and tamp it down, and then when it dries, it'll be hard. Kind of, yeah, like I said, a ghetto concrete. Now, I do have most of the stuff out of here. There is some stuff that I will probably just end up burying inside of here that didn't quite burn all the way. Part of me wants to save it because it's charcoal, little tiny charcoal bits, but they're almost too tiny. But they might be good for biochar. Oh, decisions. And I guess there is some stuff, some non-burnable stuff inside of there. Oh, people. And some burnable stuff that didn't burn. Anyways, I'll spread all this out later. Alright, so one of the things that I'm doing to get all the excess stuff out of the ash is throwing it on the screen. much on there, start sifting it back and forth. And then once everything's pretty much just thicker stuff, and stuff that's not going to cause tetanus or whatever this weird food pack was in there, then I'm taking it and kind of bringing it up towards the front to help fill in that space. Because they're the bigger chunks and stuff like that, they will hold up a little bit more to weight being put on them than just straight sand would. So yeah, that's how I'm taking care of filtering out the big chunks, taking the stuff that I've come across, some stuff that is still burnable, throwing that back in the burn bin, and any real kind of damaging stuff taken out. Then I'll mix that all in, water it down, tamp. Yeah, all right. So yeah, now that we got that all in place, now we're just bringing up wagonfuls of sand and leveling out the space, tamping it down a bit, going and getting more. as you can see, we got the retaining wall done, as well as all filled in, and got that done by Meet in Your Mouth Monday, which is what I was kind of concerned about, having this not finished by. And worked real well, nobody got injured, and hey, now maybe my furniture will last a little bit longer when people give it to me. So, and yeah, that's another project done around the Ecovillage. If you like this type of video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as let us know what other types of videos you'd be interested in seeing.